Hey guys, it's CW Gamer, and we are playing, well, basically the John Wick version of Jigsaw, but this game is called Pigface. I don't know why it's called Pigface.
Beside me is a sledgehammer.
Oh,
And
that's a
through the
bunny.
door, there are men who want to kill you. I've told each of them they will receive $10,000
Well, that's
if
nice.
they can put you down.
Yeah, we're gonna be going through a series of men wanting to kill us, like this guy right here. Boom, easy. We got another guy right here. Bomb, nothing. You know, I'll even use the tiny baby hammer. This is gonna be nothing. Oh. Alrighty, put him down. Use your flashlight. Perfect. Person! More guys. Alrighty, they're dead.
Quick work of them.
Thank you.
I didn't really doubt you for a second. Through this door, there's a shooting range. You can practice for as long as you want.
Time to work with guns. Ooh, look at all these. Let's start out with the shotgun. This is suppressed shotgun. I don't think we're going to be using suppressed, though. There's bottles over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's try and snipe them. Boom. A suppressed pistol. Oh yeah, we are definitely using this. We have one bullet left. Oh, it's empty. 250, not a bad score. But should I stick with the suppressed pistol? You know what, let's just go with the regular pistol. Let's just do that. Drugs, weapons, ammunition, great, good. Oh crap, okay. Ammunition, drugs, great. You know, I don't think this is a good gun. I'm just taking his gun. He's still alive? My goodness. These guys have guns too. What? There's another guy? Okay. I think there's a guy up here. Got him down. It's absolutely what? He's alive. Okay. Then should I go back and get health? Sure, I'll do that. On our way back. On our way back. Alright, we're here. Oh. That was random. Oh. Well, now he's dead too. Okay. I'm nervous here. It's a hallway. Oh. Okay. Oh. Well, that was easy. What's this over here? Oh, human! 2 minutes and 39 seconds. That's good. That's some good timing.
Well, you're not dead. And
Surprisingly.
you made good time.
Thank you.
Decidedly, you've done a very good job. Myself and my associates all agree that you and I are going to make a lot of money together.
Doing what? What are we
I look
doing?
forward to working with you.
What are we doing?